What's up guys, it's Mikul here. Today we're going to be unboxing our air purifier, specifically the Winix 3-stage air purifier. So we're also going to be getting a Dyson air purifier, and then later on, like in 2019, we're going to be getting a couple more air filters. Because there's a lot of added benefits for having an air filter. And we're going to be doing comparison between this one and the Dyson once we get it. So we'll just unbox this to see how that would go. So, let's quickly, so you have pre-filter, just like stuff about the filters. So here we have, you get the remote, your a guide, I guess. Put that over there as well. Throw that. Oh God, I hate this stuff. But let's first. I'm assuming this is one of like the filters, maybe. I mean, it doesn't say anything, so I'm assuming it is. So it's more filters, but let's just take out the main unit first. But carefully, without breaking it. Hard to do. It's actually really light, lighter than I thought. So in the box, there's just another filter. I'm assuming this is another filter. And in this unit, so let's move that out of the way. Here we have the main unit. It's actually pretty small, pretty good looking. And we have the power right here, which I'm gonna quickly disconnect. So you have power, the mode, and then all this other stuff here. So it's actually, I'm assuming I don't do anything. Oh yeah, we might have to take this off. So this is the filter area. So what we have to do is let's just take this out. This is one of the filters, and as you can see, there's gonna be like two filters. There's gonna be like a pre-filter and then the actual filter. So we have one of them. So air flows this way, and then whatever this means. Let's take this guy out. I don't even know how it's used. Oh, you just gotta force it out. And this is like a mesh-ish thing. And here we have like the fan itself, which is like useful. And it says you gotta just take that out of the bag. Okay, so we'll do that. So I think what we have over there is just another set of pre-filters. I think it's a carbon filter, so it's black. So I'm just gonna assume it is. And then the air probably, assuming comes out of the back, it gets sucked into the front. It's airflow. So here, okay. So here we have the filter and the carbon pre-filter. So it just goes on top of like this, and I think that's it. So now we just gotta put this in here. And we're also gonna do a quick test. We're gonna put this mesh thing guy back. Make sure that's all in. And then the front cover just goes in like that. All good to go. I think something like that. Or connect it to power and see what happens. Plug it in. All right. So let's this is power. Can't tell if it's working or not. Oh, yep, there's air coming from the back. Let's increase the fan. Let's try it also with the remote we have here, and also comes with a holder. Okay, so that works. I wonder what that means. Let's see what auto does. So as you can see, it has all these different things. I mean, it has lights and stuff. Just at max air, so this blows air pretty well. I don't know what that means, but anyway. And as you can see on the side, one second, we're just gonna, on the side it has like this air side opening where it sucks in air, and also the front. I don't know if we have to do anything with that. And it comes with another set of filters, so it comes with like 2 years worth of filters. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.